Ladies and gentlemen, Brock Lesnar does not gloat. Brock Lesnar conquers. Paul Heyman gloats over the fact that Brock Lesnar hit multiple F5s, left Roman Reigns in a heap like some piece of Samoan trash to be thrown out the next morning, and pinning him in the biggest WrestleMania of all time.
If you were here right now, I'd tell you face to face, but you're not. But I think we finally see eye to eye, because I'm not going into this thing thinking there's gonna be a happy ending or a fairy tale. Nah, man. I'm expecting a fight, hoping for a war.
This Sunday, Brock Lesnar will F5 Roman Reigns and pin him in the center of the ring. 1, 2, 3.
Brock Lesnar is an entitled piece of crap who hides behind his contract. You wanna know why? Because he doesn't respect me, he doesn't respect any of you, and he doesn't respect anybody in that locker room.
You ain't the big dog. This ain't your yard. And you're only gonna be another notch on Brock Lesnar's title belt.
Every single week, me and them boys run across this world and we bust our ass. And Brock just shows up whenever he wants to, when the money's right or the city's right.
Brock Lesnar has a problem. And it's a problem that's going to be solved by the greatest problem solver in WWE history, Brock Lesnar.
And I was taught at an early age that there's a fine line between business and respect. I don't respect Brock Lesnar.
You are going,
and I damn sure don't fear that bitch,
to Suplex City.